Understanding cold turkey, an English idiom explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom, cold turkey. This phrase is commonly used, but its meaning isn't immediately clear, especially to those learning English. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. The phrase, cold turkey, refers to the abrupt and complete cessation of an addictive substance or behavior. It's most commonly used in the context of quitting drugs, smoking, or alcohol, but can also apply to any habit or activity that someone stops suddenly. The key element here is the suddenness and totality of the stop. The exact origin of cold turkey is a bit murky, but it's believed to have appeared in the early 20th century. One theory suggests it derives from the cold, clammy feel of the skin during withdrawal, similar to a turkey's skin. Another theory links it to the phrase's straightforward, no-nonsense connotation, as in serving turkey cold, without any embellishments. To help you understand how to use cold turkey in conversation, here are a few examples. After 10 years of smoking, he quit cold turkey. I decided to cut out sugar cold turkey rather than gradually reducing it. Going cold turkey on social media was harder than I expected. Notice how the phrase is often accompanied by verbs like quit or stop, and can refer to various habits or behaviors. While cold turkey is unique, there are other expressions that convey a similar sudden cessation. Phrases like all at once, in one go, or out of the blue can sometimes be used in similar contexts, though they lack the specific connotation of abrupt withdrawal. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of cold turkey. It's a vivid and useful expression in English, especially when discussing habits and changes. Remember, language is a window into culture, and understanding idioms like this one helps you see the world through an English-speaking lens. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.